Today we're going to explore some different resources that will be useful if you've just started out with Claris FileMaker. DB Services has been working with FileMaker since 2003, so we've collected some of our favorite Claris resources that will help you get started building a custom FileMaker app. The first resource we're going to look at is the Claris Academy. Here you can find personalized learning experiences for all skill levels, including people just starting out with FileMaker. So this is the My Learning page, and you can see all your different learning tracks, register for different courses, and view all of your achievements. So now we'll look at Claris Marketplace. This is a great place to find apps and templates created by experts. You can look through the featured listings, or you can search by different keywords or categories. We'll go ahead and click on this template that DB Services created called FM Quick Start. As you can see, it gives you a summary of the product and a quick description and a couple of screenshots so that you can see a preview of what it would look like. These templates can make it really easy to get your app built quickly, and they're great to use as a starting point. The next resource we'll look at is the Claris community. It has over 30,000 members, and you can easily join groups or discussions to learn more about popular topics or just topics you're interested in. You can also ask a specific question or bookmark discussions or answers to find them easily later. If you go to groups in the Claris community, a great group to join if you're a beginner is the New to FileMaker group. And you can ask questions here and connect with other people who are building their first custom app with FileMaker. Now we'll look at Claris support. So this is the knowledge base. You can come here and search any questions you may have or look for different frequently asked questions, and you can filter based on product, version, and time period that the answer was posted. Along with that, under support, we have updates and release notes. This is where you'll find all information about system updates, and you can read through the release notes of different versions for Cloud, Mac, Windows, or Linux. So if I go into the latest version of FileMaker Cloud and click View, I can view the latest release notes. Also under support is the Product Documentation Center, and this is where you can find information that's categorized by product. So let's say we want more information about FileMaker Pro 19. If we click on the plus sign, it'll expand and it will give us a link to the release notes and a bunch of guides and helpful links. You can also scroll down and go to the documentation archive and look at older products, and you'll be able to get the same resources there as well. Next is the Claris ebook. It is Claris's free ebook about the essentials of building a custom app. So this is what it looks like. And in this ebook, you'll be able to learn about planning for your business needs, creating the app, and deploying it. Claris also provides templates to help you get started building your app. These are great because most have been created by FileMaker experts, and most of them are completely free. So they're a really good place to start if you're not sure where to begin building. As you can see, it's kind of the same setup as Marketplace. So you've got a summary of the product, a short description, and then a few screenshots so you can preview what it will look like. The last resource we'll show you is the Claris events page. So Claris offers meetups, workshops, training, conferences, and on-demand webinars for you to expand your knowledge of the platform and connect with others in the Claris community. You can sort by type of event or location to find an event that best fits for you. We hope these resources are helpful and give you a solid foundation to start building your first custom app with Claris FileMaker. If you have any questions or need help developing your app, contact us at DB Services and we'll be happy to help you with all your FileMaker needs.